Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Now, my people, this video was one of the first video I did when I started this channel less than a year ago. Now, what jumped out on me with these guys, this is before I knew the whole situation with them, was the fact that they didn't have any money for a lawyer. And then I heard they were doing all this extortion and all them killing and murder. So when I see they didn't have money for a lawyer, that was very shocking. So I decided to do a video on Mr. Blackman. And if you listen to this video, most of everything I said, it's coming to pass now, because it's coming out in court with City Post, the informer. We didn't even know they had informants. You understand? And all the top secret work the police was doing with these guys. So this is a very interesting video. Like I say, it's remastered and it's a good video. And just listen to what I say about this guy, because I knew they were broke. So I labeled him the king of broke badness. And remember, a countryman make that term there. The king of broke badness. Blackman, Onedon gang. I'm out. Watch the rest of the video and remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Now, look at the screen in front of you and you see what it says. Mr. Blackman is having problem securing an attorney. And that's really what I wanted to talk about. Because you're out there running a gang, you're doing extortion, allegedly, you're doing all these things. Where's your money? No, I heard another blogger talk about rich badness. Well, I'm gonna call this broke badness. Hungry badness. Come on, Blackman. Where's all the friends and the links and all the ops that you carry out? Who's defending who? It just doesn't make sense. It's a real disgrace. No, his case has set a precedent because there's like 50 of them and they let go a lot of them, but there's more of them getting tried. And one of the cases that he's being tried on is that Junta bus manager or manager. And yeah, and there's also some squealing going on in this case, but it says here the attorneys don't want to take his case. And I was thinking maybe because of the gang affiliated, but it's because of the low money. So yeah, let me move on in front of you. It says that as it relates to the defense lawyer, many of them have tried to evade the case, even making special applications just several months ago due to them not being satisfied with the suggested pay. Broke badness, hungry badness, and it's such a shame. You know what I'm saying? At least Blackman never bleach out him skin like Tommy Lee and Cree and them boy. You see what I'm saying? At least him kept his natural complexion. But broke and hungry badness can't beat case dog and can't win war. Let's move on. So now it seems like the lawyer, they're using the Uchen's Wilson case, because they're using that case saying that they were offered, for example, 150,000 instead of like 200, or 150 instead of 300,000, and that caused a big problems because these guys are very dangerous and it takes a lot of work to defend these guys. And they never thought of that before they hit the road doing all their thing. No, they said that this dude here, the Klansman, they are responsible for 78 out of 130 murder in 2017. And there's a lot of them. And they said this dude here is very powerful and he's very kind. And they also say Cartel is Klansman, so I don't know why Cartel is not helping this young man. And they say squealing is going on in this case, so I'm going to keep my ears to the ground because I'm really going to do a full story about this guy Blackman because he keeps on popping up. I'm going to deep dive into the case some more and see what's going on. But yeah, hungry badness and broke badness. Is that what Klansman represent? Hungry badness, broke badness. Just like how you have rich badness. Yo, my name is Countryman. Like, share, subscribe. Check out the WhatsApp group. I was gonna say notification. Check out the WhatsApp group and the membership section. And yeah, give me some ideas on some story. And I'm here. Peace and love and happiness. Bless.